The Lok Sabha has referred the Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026 to a 31-member Joint Parliamentary Committee for detailed scrutiny. The move came amid strong opposition protests and demands for the bill to be withdrawn. The committee will have 21 Lok Sabha and 10 Rajya Sabha members. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and Rajya Sabha Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan will nominate the members from their respective houses. The panel has been asked to submit its report by the last day of the first week of the winter session in 2026. The motion was moved by Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai, even as opposition MPs demanded the presence of Home Minister Amit Shah in the House. Congress MP K.C. Venugopal alleged that the bill targets minorities and NGOs and demanded its withdrawal. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju rejected the charge, saying the legislation was not aimed at any minority community and that opposition parties could raise their concerns before the JPC. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav said the opposition was united against the bill. He also questioned the government's claim that the legislation did not target minorities. Meanwhile, the Rajya Sabha passed a bill expanding the National Cooperative Development Corporation's mandate, allowing it to provide loans and grants directly to cooperative societies. Parliament also cleared the bill to rename Kerala as Keralam through a voice vote.